Leo.
Please, open it.
Happy birthday, Leo. Happy birthday. Where are you? What can be that? Have you any idea what it can be? Something big and nice. Something else? Better come again.
The big one, oh, it's an AC. Not the A.
That's what your heart wishes for?
Which one? Open the small ones first.
Yeah.
This is an ice cream chocolate. I know. I knew it would be this.
Oh yeah?
Now let's check this one. Oh, why is it just a rope?
Wait, Daniel, make Leo open. Make Leo.
Open it for him.
It's okay. He can do it.
Millie,
I want to do it.
no, Millie, open it.
Pharaoh and Phoenix and Peter do it and Leo do it.
Oh, last time I help you open it.
Okay. Alright.
Help him. That's true, them open it.
Leo, don't mind.
Yeah, I get.
Oh, Leo, покажи. Come here. What's that?
Ooh, Ninjago! Ninjago have a motorcycle.
Alright. What's
Yeah.
next?
Here. Here.
Lefty!
Yeah, so you can, yeah.
Leo. Alright, you can check it out later.
We can put it up with it.
Try best.
I like that. Ooh, we got ice cream! Leo, I got an ice cream!
What's that? Ice cream truck? Lego ice cream truck. That's what he wanted?
Yeah.
That's that.
Leo, keep opening. Why you gave up so fast? Oh yeah? Leo, look. This is the next set of Lego Ninjago. And this is Lego. What is that? Oh, it's a ghost. Yesterday I watched the movie. Tell me the name. The Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider.
I saw them calling. Yeah. Watch out. Look. Daddy got Leo.
Oh, it's a piano. Just knew it was a piano.
Piano. Electric keyboard. Nice. So who's gonna teach Leo how to play electric keyboard? You have to find music teacher now. Guys, who can teach music? If you're from our areas, link we. Leo wants to play piano. He wants to learn music. Leo, look.
Daddy, we got more Legos than
No way. That's a hoverboard. Oh man. I did not really want Errol to give him this thing because I find it dangerous, honestly. What's... Yeah, Leo really wanted it, so. This is a hoverboard. Hoverboard.
Oh, because of Hoover drive. No, drive.
We cannot drive at home, right?
What is it?
Hoverboard.
But I can balance.
Oh, please, not in the house. You can change. You can share. Yeah.
You think you can ride it another?
No, I have to just only be 8 years old so I can ride it.
Okay, next birthday I get you one. Yes, that's why I don't get you one. But it will be 8 years old. When you're 8 years old, I get another one, right? Don't worry.
Лео, выключите телевизор. Выключи телевизор на секундочку. Выключи, пожалуйста, потом включишь. Ну, нажми кнопку. Под телевизор. Держи я подольше. Подержи.
I got a skateboard in the ice cream. And even the ice cream. Can I try something?
No.
They're all afraid. I like them something.
Oh, but then it doesn't go straight.
Dangerous thing.
Can I open this? But how I can?
Oh, Leo. How many gifts? God, I got a lot of gifts. Yeah, Leo.
Golden dragon. And you can open this for me.
Alright.
But this is not Ghost Rider, this is Golden Dragon.
You can call him anyhow you want. Can you? Leo, alright now. All the trash, put it in a box here. Let's organize the living room, yeah? We're not gonna keep it messy. Mommy needs some help, because mommy got a newborn baby, so mommy is seeking help. Come on, let's go. Here, then, Leo. Here, in the box. Yeah, man, in the box. No, I think you should keep big box for the hoverboard. Yeah, man, don't throw it away. Danny, еще не все. No, not all. Put everything and. No, man, you have to keep it. Keep the box. It's more organized that way. It'll go get dusty without box. Yeah, guys, nice. Thank you for help.
Yes.
О, а что это такое? Это робот. Такой какой-то робот. А, робот-френд. Друг робот, да? Друг робот.
I choose the white one. Then you can open it for me.
Leo, подожди, Leo. So your Russian granny recorded you a happy birthday greeting. Happy birthday from granny, from Russian granny. Come, press it, watch.
Дорогие мои, я вас поздравляю с днем рождения, Левочки. Лева, от всей души поздравляю тебя.
Следующую нажимай. Next one.
Доброе утро,
Next one.
дорогие
Press next
мои.
one. Yes.
Лева, я тобой горжусь. Горжусь твоими успехами. Продолжай дальше. Точно так же. Надеюсь, и мама с папой тоже там.
Следующая. Next one. Scroll.
Лева, будь счастливым, будь успешным, будь первым во всех делах. Береги маму, береги братика и, конечно же, свою маленькую сестренку с днем рождения.
Who was that, Leo? Who was that?
Then
Lucy? My granny? Your granny? Russian granny Lucy? Yeah? А? Лео, это была бабушка? Yeah. But make sure you teach him and not just noise something, you know? Because Muffin need guidance.
skateboard.
Has a mic? No, but don't give him a mic. Right now. Oh gosh. Please don't start it. Go away. Errol, something flower. The instruction for it flower. So you better keep it coming on. Nothing about nothing. Keep the instruction or you have to find a teacher. Лео, сколько тебе лет? Лео, сколько тебе лет сегодня? 8. Правильно. Скажи, мне 8 лет. Сегодня мне исполнилось 8 лет. Скажи, мне 8 лет. Скажи, мне 8 лет. Мне 8 лет. Мне. I am. Мне. I am. Мне. Мне. Ну, говори. Мне. Правильно. 8. 8 лет. Years old. Мне 8 лет. I am 8 years old. No way I'm gonna try hoverboard here in the house. I'm smart enough to check on Mila. Check on Leo. What is that? Mila is gonna wake up. Mind you, you'll drop on me. Ебай мать, блядь. Ужас. Oh, mine. That's why I never wanted Errol to buy a hoverboard, because you can literally mash up yourself on it. Don't like that thing. I like that thing, you know. Errol, no. I like. You know, I have to go dead house. You know, I have to go hospital. Make sure you hold him now. Or you go back in a ward, kids ward. You want to go back there? Sure you don't. Don't make him go out. Don't let him go. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Oh Lord. Just hide it while you're gonna be away. I don't want them to have access to it. Yeah. Because that's a devil toy. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. So right now Errol is going on the road. He's gonna get cake for a birthday party. Now what else? Some food, some treat. Because Swaggy cannot cook. Swaggy's busy.
We got it for you.
Yeah.
I picked that present for you.
Yeah. Touch.
No. My brother.
It's ready. You want to take the number 8? We should take the number 8. Yep. I'm recording you guys. Please.
My birthday is in 5 days.
Alright. You read this in 5 days? How many can I put this? Yeah. Go around that side. It will be around that side.
Okay, so you're gonna go around that side.
Yeah.
You're gonna be closer to the candle.
Yeah, maybe this can be.
Oh, ready to sing? All three. 1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leo. Happy birthday to you. I know you guys are gonna throw. Smash his face in the cake. No, only they're gonna have. Oh my god. Just remember say cake and KFC cake. Just tell you that shit. You think I'm gonna one? Yeah, only who can swim can go feed. Only who can swim. Whole party. I'm not gonna over there. If you swim, you swim. Yo, how was your birthday party? Nice? Having fun? Enjoy your birthday? I can't do another day. Another day. Trust me now. full-fledged party. Yeah. It's so sophisticated. Good cheeks. You know, you get a nice little seat.
We need to put battery so it can rock.
Yeah.
You have battery?
No, put all the battery in the toys in.
No, take it out and give me lesson. Yeah, you should take it out the other toys. Unnecessary thing. This is necessary.
I wish told me remember which no, it's not a piano with the mom nice ago.
Yeah, so take it out.
See my DJ there.
No, man.
That's true, we can't take it out because it can't charge. The piano can play it plug.
See that? Yeah. The baby. Catch me.
So yeah, that's for the party today. And I just set up this thing for me. Look at rocking chair. You know, got options. See the guys. So again, baby registry is coming from today. Thank you, baby registry. Thank you, guys. She's so nice. Yeah, you come. I live life to my boss. Oh, so you turn it from the TV. That's not right. So you turn Mila back to the TV. You're not supposed to watch too much TV. Observe Mila. Alright. Alright, observe me. Alright. I'm gonna take the battery out of the piano. Take the charger in the box and I can use it. Eat, please, guys. Change the cup? Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. So remember, you can get your books on Amazon. This is our book, Life with the Stevens, Finding Financial Independence. Just search Life with the Stevens or Era Stevens and you can find my autobiography on Amazon as well. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in booking our Airbnbs in Portmore and in Orchards. So thanks again for watching. Take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.